Okay, so what they want you to do to start with, they want you to sort the data. So you can do this in a range of ways. Firstly, if we open, so we can go in here, we open this data set. So go along here because it's not, so you just go to here. You can see that it's, okay, so you've got these headings. So what you need to do is just click on the top heading here and go to insert. Actually, just go to home. You click up here, sort and filter. Go filter. Okay, put the filter on. You can just sort like this, for example, and just click here and sort A to Z. It's a basic way of filtering. It does your whole data set, as you can see. Change that Z to A, so on and so forth. You can filter it by any way like that, yeah? However, the way they want you to do it is through the more advanced way. So here you got the filter, you go to custom sort. Okay. And now you can see you've got sort by, and then the headings are here. So you get sort by manufacturer. You got order ID, month, all that kind of stuff. So you can choose. You got to choose. Usually in practice, it's whatever makes the most logical sense to you. You can see they're just showing you what I'm. Well, you can go. The key thing is as well. You can sort from your data area as well. You've got the same filter. This kind of thing here. There's a quick one to go A. Click there, A to Z, Z to A, for example. And then you can click there to get the advanced one as well. So you can do it in data, which is here, or you can do it from home, which is here, which is what I tend to do. So it says, yeah, you can sort data simply by any A to Z, like that's what it was showing you. I just showed you, you can just press it, be in that column and press it, for example. So show you. So you go to data, when you're in the shipping city or country model, you can just press that and it will do it. Okay, that's what it's showing you there. So if you want to sort, and this is showing the more complex way, that's where the box is, what you do. So it's got ship country and manufacturer here. As you can see, it says ship country and manufacturer here. So what we can do, go sort here, press that, or in my way, you can do that. Add 2 levels because they want 2 levels. So go ship country, I believe it was. Let's double check. Ship country values A to Z, and then manufacturer A to Z. And then what it does is it ships. It does it first by ship country, so you'll see that first, and then that is in order. So you see Argentina, Austria, but then Honda, Toyota. Sure, what was it again? Manufacturer, yeah. See then Fiat's first, then Fiat, and then see it goes down by order. It does this one first, and then manufacturer. So you'll see this one in order, and then this one in order. Okay. And that's when you sort it, yeah. As you can see, that's what they're saying to you. Okay, this is just simple filtering of data. So this is where you go. So if you only want to see what's happened in Brazil, you can click here. These things here. And click Brazil. Yeah. Maybe you just want to see what's happened in August or December, let's say. Okay. That's just that simple. And now complex filter. You don't really ever use these, to be honest, but if you're looking through complex, sometimes you'll get like lots of data with lots of different cells in. So for example, you could have like Honda, Jamaica, Cuba, like that, and that's when you would use them when there's lots of data in one cell. When it's got data in cell like this, you would never use like a complex filter. So what you would go to, all you'd have to do is just go down to text filters, and you go equals, but put a custom one on, custom filter, and then you would just type in what you want. So say for example, I want Graz, because that's where I am. Obviously I've got nothing in there. So what can happen is if you don't enter anything that's in the actual filter, so I'm in shipping country here, obviously Honda is not in shipping country because it's a type of manufacturer. If I type that in, it gives me nothing, see? So you have to be careful using it. But obviously if I know, as I know Argentina's in there, maybe I want just Argentina and then Argentina. And then that gives me everyone with Argentina in it, yeah? Okay. And to clear your filter at any time, you can just go to data. Let's see if I've got a filter on, it'll show me. You can just go to sort there and then clear. Okay. You can say equals as well, or you can say does not equal Argentina. So that will just mean everything will get in, Argentina will be taken out of the filter. See? Everything except it just means taking Argentina out, okay? And that's your complex and simple filtering on that data set. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll go to the subtotal section. So what they want you to do with subtotals are these are the totals that you can just add in. So as they say, like you could just put totals at the end of like a month or something like that, whatever's relevant. Okay, so let's show you how to do that. So you would just go back into the data set, just click in here, go to data, click here subtotal, and then you go total cost quantity. But here you've got to be really careful because each change in order ID, you don't want it to be that, because we want it, let's say we want to do it by month. I want the total of months. Yeah, so each month, after every month, I want the total quantity, because then it'll tell me what was sold in that month. So you see, like, I could do it for Austria or Argentina just to show me what would be the total sales in Argentina or the total sales in Austria, but this time I want it by month. How many cars were sold in a month? That's what this subtotals is telling us, yeah? So I could do quantity, total cost, month, so put that use the sum function, which will add it up, sum up, add subtotal to quantity and total cost, okay? Because it wouldn't make sense anywhere else. You can't add ship country or anything like that, okay? And then the summary below the data. So click OK. Alright, so now it's done that. And what this does as well, you see these up here, you can just press 1 and it will give you the grand total. 2, it's like a progressively showing you more and more information each time. Level 2, tell you April's total, August total, February's total, March's total, April's total. You can see though, as you haven't sorted the data, it's given you lots of different ones, which is not clear. So what we'd want to do in reality, if you were going to do this, you would probably, let's just remove this, go subtotal, just remove all. Okay, then you've just removed all your subtotals, it makes it better. Then if we filter by month, you want to, that's something to be wary about, yeah? Filter by month and filter by it before you do the subtotals, otherwise you'll get the situation we just had, yeah? And we just do that again, it's already set up for us, so we just click OK. See, now, that's much better, isn't it? Because now we've got April. Click 2 here, yeah? You can see then the importance of doing that correctly. And that's just literally your subtotals. And if you wanted to change that, say for example, let's filter by month. Let's filter by ship country, yeah, A to Z. Now we want subtotals for at each change in ship country. Yeah. See, now it's given us Argentina's total. Okay, I think you get the point now. So you can do that with all of them, which is quite useful, I think. Alright, that's the end of video 1.